Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can send an email. So for that we have to first open our email app, and over here we have the compose option at the right bottom. I will click on this compose option, and into we have to type the email ID for whom we are sending the email. For example, if you have the exam of English and you are going to send the answer sheets to your English teacher, so you will enter the email ID of your English teacher. And suppose you have Hindi exam, you will send the email to the Hindi teacher and you will enter the email ID of the Hindi teacher. Similarly, if you have computer exam, you will enter the email ID of the computer teacher. So I am entering my email ID over here. Alright. Now, in the subject, I will write answer sheet submission. I will write here answer sheet submission. And now, in the compose mail, first of all, I will write the name of the student. Suppose the name of the student is Rishabh, and then I will write the class. Suppose it is class 3B, and then I will write the subject. Suppose they have the exam for English, I will write the subject name as English, or suppose any other subject, Hindi, computer, Bengali, I will write that subject name. So over here I am writing the subject name as computer. Alright, this composing is done. At last we will attach the files. For attaching the files, we can see at the right top we have paper clip like option. So I will click on this paper clip option, and then I will click on attach file. After attaching file, I will open my downloads. Alright, I will open the downloads. I'm again repeating, in the recents I have at the left top 3 lines are there. I will click on these 3 lines and I will click on downloads. And here we can see the English.pdf is there. Alright, so I will click on this English PDF. Now here we can see that it is now being attached. So after attaching this PDF file, I will click on the send. Now we can see here it is now sending. We will wait for some time until it is sent. Yes, now the email is sent. And now how we will check that the email which we sent has been sent? Now I will click on this top right, top left 3 lines, and then I will click on the send, and here we can see in sent we have one email to k.devika@griffins. We can see that yes, now this email has been sent to the teacher to whom you are sending. I hope everyone has understood. Thank you everyone.